And action. What's up, guys? It's the Talented Young Men back with you. Josh back with you.
Whoa, you're not Josh. You're Boof.
I'm Boof, and he's I'm Crag.
Crag.
This is the bonus round for what we're going to get into. This is what we're doing today. 24 Kinder Eggs.
For all of our American listeners.
This is for you guys. I'm going to open it. Yes.
Oh, so we're going to go egg for egg.
Egg for egg. Pack battle.
See
egg
who
battle.
has a better toy wins.
There you go.
And whoever has the most points at the end, you win some.
You win some. Oh, sweet. We can have a little setup.
Open up.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Look at this. Oh, no. There goes that. It's kind of windy. You can do this. Hold it in. Make a nice little setup. There you go. Look at that. I'm going to take my tray.
I'm going to leave my tray in the box.
Yeah, get that aesthetic. I'll keep it there.
We got 12 eggs.
Alright, should we get started?
Alright, I guess we'll open up an egg.
Yeah, we also got a bowl for the chocolate because it's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, I don't think we need 24 eggs of chocolate.
What are we going to do with the garbage?
Put it on the bench.
I'm going to rip it into little bits. It's going to go, look, it's going to go everywhere.
No, just put it in a little pile.
Okay.
We'll get it later.
Oh man.
Or
Smell that Kinder chocolate. Hey, that's the garbage bin. There you go.
let's put garbage in the garbage box.
There goes the aesthetic. Look at this shiny,
How'd you get that off?
shiny egg.
Oh.
This is how you open them. Oh! Wait, no, I thought I broke my tooth.
How do you open this?
Just like that. Right? Alright. Capsule 1 and 2.
Who's gonna win?
Oh man. What did I get? I got a sticker. No, I don't need no instructions.
Oh, mine's way better.
We get the same thing? I don't know. Oh, what? I don't even know what this is.
So Kinder comes with a toy.
Oh, I lost the sticker. Okay.
This is so lame.
Am I gonna have to look at the instructions? No.
I'm missing a rubber band.
Maybe it's on the ground.
No?
Wait, this is actually pretty cool.
Oh no.
It's a disc launcher. It's a ring disc launcher.
Mine's a cat launcher.
Okay, we got the launcher. Oh, it's blown all over. Oh my god. I can't even look at the doors.
Alright, so I guess I'll present mine first.
Yeah, talk about yours for 10 minutes while I build mine.
Okay, I got these cards that won't stand up. They're worth 10, 5, and 10 points. And then you take your cat here.
It's the wrong way.
How does this work?
This is dumb.
You go. See that? Check this
I
out.
missed it. What?
You line it up to these targets that don't stand up, and then
Wow, you launch a cat.
that's my.
Okay, here we go. I think I got it. How does this go up like this? Okay, look, you put it on your finger.
The camera.
You put it on your pinky finger because it won't fit anywhere else.
Close. You gotta go close.
Yeah, pinky finger because it won't fit anywhere else. And then you go. This sucks. Where's the sticker?
Right,
It comes
so-
with a sticker. Here, I'll put the sticker on.
I'll say I win because mine worked.
That's. Oh my god. Here, put it on. And that's what it looks like. And here's this. It sucks.
Alright, so 1 point for me, I guess.
Oh, it's stuck. Yeet. All right, 1 point for Joey. That's pretty weak to start.
Good toy.
We didn't get a toy bin here.
You got that. Alright, egg number 2.
Number 2. Gotta come back here. Down 1-0. Oh, this is sick, dude. You better hope you get something good.
Mine doesn't even have wiggle room. Right?
What is this supposed to be?
What?
This is. What? Are you supposed to break it? Oh, you're connected. I see. And it goes, one goes in like that. One goes in like that. Whoa! Is it a lawnmower?
I didn't know it would go off on its own.
That's pretty cool, actually. You got a motorized lawnmower.
Dude, that's sick. I thought it was just a car.
Look at this deer, though.
You got two.
Look, it's leapfrog. Oh, there it goes.
How does it leap?
I don't know. But you can do this cool, like. I don't know what this
I think mine wins again.
I think you win.
Wait. On my way to steal your girl.
On a lawnmower. Seriously, this couldn't be any more a lawnmower.
Yeah.
A souped up lawnmower. I don't get this.
If yours worked,
double
that'd be
decker
cool.
cars. I don't even see there's a little hole there. It fell right through.
Is there like a windmill attachment?
That's all that came in. Oh my god. That was okay, I guess.
So I guess,
Oh.
yeah, I'm up 2 to 0.
Weak. Come on, give me like a. I don't know, something. What's on the box? I want the ladybug.
I've been hoping for a koala in a cave, because koalas live in caves. Oh, you got the cat that I got.
Is it a different color?
Yeah, I got like a leopard or
A
something.
zebra cat. I got this blue one.
You got a purloin, or is it purloin? Those won't stand up.
Glameow.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of.
That's a Pokemon. Can you stand up? Look. I get
I don't
points.
even get to build mine. Mine's just a car.
A lot of vehicles.
It's an orange car. Yeah, it's a purple car.
How did you launch this again?
No, other way. You hold this with your fingers and you go.
There's an ass there.
Yeah.
Oh. There we go. I don't know who wins that one. 'Cause we've seen this
Mine's
before.
just a car though. I'd say yours is better.
Yeah, because we got his brother.
This isn't even like a cool car. It's just a generic
What does it do?
race.
Just race.
It goes like that, or turn upside down. It goes like that.
Barely. Alright, I'll take the win. Put that in the thing. Alright, let's
Egg
do this.
number 4.
4 egg. Is it an eraser? What? Who invented this? I got this guy,
Walt Kinder.
whatever this is, just a thing. I couldn't tell you what it is. But you like throw it and he jumps rope. This is dumb.
What? Do it again?
It doesn't work.
Is that what it says?
I don't know. He like throws it. Or you have to like snap it out. It doesn't do that because it's the mold.
Wait, no. Do like this. You can go. You go this way. I think you have to pry it like that. It's supposed to fling out, but the plastic's too weak.
Try it on this side. It's supposed to fling. Watch it fling. Here we go. Here it goes. Brace yourself. Oh my god.
Yeah, you pull it all the way back.
Okay, that's.
That's what you're supposed to do. You pull it all the way back and you flip it. But the plastic is one piece.
This might be the worst one.
Okay, mine's for my presentation.
Another car.
I have part 1 of a set.
In theory, which is pretty
I got a corner of a track with some audiences. And a car that goes.
What if all you get
it
is
doesn't even
corners?
fit on the corner.
What if you're unlucky and just get all corners?
I'm gonna leave this to the side in case I get more of the track. I guess
could have
if
the
you
rest
get
of
the
the
track too, you can build on
Yeah. Okay, that's bad. You win.
it. Mine works.
I want to throw this in the garbage. Where's the garbage? It goes in the garbage bowl. Sorry, guy.
Alright, egg number 5. What's the score? 3-1?
3-1.
And how many cards have I gotten? 3?
3 cars and 1 cat. Well, this one's rattly. Oh, this one's shattered.
I got no rattle.
We're running out of room in the chocolate bin.
I didn't even hit it. Watch this.
Oh! We had a dent.
That hurt. I just hit the bean inside.
You flicked the bean?
You got the one I wanted.
It's
Except
a bunny.
I want the koala.
I don't want to look at the instructions. What even is this?
I got a minion.
A minion.
Oh no, I got a totem pole.
Totem pole. What is this? A chinchilla? Leave that in the comments. Is that a chinchilla or a bunny? And he has a nice little cave. With a huge fall or spring. That's lovely.
Ooh. So I got a coloring book with the finished drawing in the corner.
Oh, is he a crayon?
No,
No, dude.
I got the man with hat.
No, dude, look.
That's not a crayon. That's just hard.
Oh, look.
It's like work. Oh my
It
god!
works.
I got a crayon.
Kinda. It's really bad, but it works. That's a tough one. That one's not bad.
I guess
If you don't want
your crayon to dry out, you can put a hat on them.
Wow.
It's pretty close.
I think I don't know.
Rock, paper, scissors. Best of one.
1, 2, 3.
4-1.
I always do that. It's not your fault, little bunny.
No, it was close. Let's call it a draw.
All right, I'll take a draw. I was thinking that anyways. I'm gonna keep it over here.
So we both got one. 4-2.
I got the red crayon. He has a toque and some earmuffs. No headphones.
For you American folks, that's a beanie, I think. It's a fire hat. Fire hydrant head. No, it's not. Never mind.
No, he's a gangster on a skateboard. With a 3-wheeled skateboard. Wait, let's color him. Coloring pages. Look, he's a DJ. It shows how you're supposed to color him. All the bits red. This won't come off now. No! It's my coloring page.
I like how it shows you the one color you can color with.
Yeah. Since when are traffic cones red? I'll do it anyway. Oh, that's cool.
How does this go together?
Very cheap and hard to do, but you gotta press really hard. Look at that. That's great. What are all the colors? What's the whole set? Is it blue, yellow, red, green?
So speaking of sets,
Oh,
there are patterns, I guess. What have I been getting?
cars,
What else have I been
animals. It's an animal car.
getting? It's a car with some stickers.
Wow, that's like a safari.
But like the other ones, it launched.
A launching car.
It's a launching car.
How many different types of launch can they do? Flick, rubber bands.
Plastic. I'll give that to you.
Yes.
So
Thank you, crayon guy.
5-3.
4-3.
5.
4-3.
What are you?
There's 4 last time, remember?
No, yeah. Oh yeah, never mind.
Ah,
yeah.
it's cheating.
I was giving us both a point again.
No. Do this how you do it. Like you flip it up like this. And you just heel.
I go like this.
That's not how you're supposed to do it. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's the same one. Oh.
Don't worry.
Is that the corner again?
I built mine in a different configuration. I got my car again. Let me connect the dots.
Wait, yeah, you can. Even if you get double of the same one, you can still connect it. Now it's like a
Let's
S.
update the track.
Okay, I have the duplicate round. We got this cat.
No points.
No points.
Was it 4-3 for you?
4-3.
No, for me.
Damn it.
I guess I'll leave
Put
it
'em
there.
5 left. plus the bonus.
Why they'll forget the bonus?
I'm excited for the
Bonus
bonus.
round's worth 2.
2.
Oh yeah, Boof and Crag.
Boof and Crag, back with you.
Oh, that was a meaty sound.
What is?
No. I gotta get this meaty sound on camera. So this is our bowl of unfinished chocolate.
Oh! No. That's not good.
That's meaty.
We need a bigger bowl.
It's even like white chalk on my hands.
Oh. I like Kinder Chocolate, so I'll be doing this for me. Ah, man!
Oh my god.
This sucks.
I don't even need to look at the instructions.
Oh, it's an orange one.
Oh, I got a different one actually.
Is that a loop-de-loop? How do you want to build this again?
Well, you got it. That's what you got.
You got these dumb cars again.
Where's your instructions?
Wait, can you grab the other ones? We can take this piece off. And put it on this side. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind.
Wait, no, do it this way. Take it off that one. Oh, like that.
Oh, yeah. Now it's a triple layer car. That's lame.
All right,
I don't even know what that's supposed to do.
I got part of a loop and an orange car. So,
part of a loop?
I got part of a loop.
What a weird track.
So when you're driving, you hit the curve, hit the U-turn, and then
Go off the track and die. I like the orange car though. Nice neon orange.
it's a different shape too.
That's
So
probably
I'm
the best thing we
gonna
had
take
so
that.
far.
Even though those are dupes, I got
Yeah.
a slightly different dupe.
Yeah, that counts. 5-3. No, 5-4. 5-4. I'm on a 2 dupe in a row. It's not good.
I think I'm on a 2 dupe and a partial dupe.
Partial dupes. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Another one of these weird things. A yellow one though.
What is it? Dude, maybe that one works.
It's stiff.
You stand them?
Like that?
Yeah, look up. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
That one works. Ish.
It's not terrible, but
I have a feeling it's better than what I
it's gonna
got.
break. But the more you do this, it's not gonna work that much. It's already bent to plastic.
Alright, I got truck.
Another car.
Doesn't do
Ah!
anything.
It's just you're getting all the
Truck.
All the. Is that a fire
The
truck?
wheels aren't even the right size. Look at the different size wheels.
You still win anyway.
Nah, yours works.
What? Seriously?
Mine's just a plain car. Yours just flips.
I guess it worked once.
So what? 5-5?
I'll take the win. Here you go. Keep that one. The blue one sucks. I'll throw it out. Keep that one, I guess. No way. This is on the box. I think.
Oh my god.
It's an elephant. What is this? It has a crank on it. Okay, it's a little elephant with a like a TV. I don't know what it does though. I'll look at the instructions.
I don't know, a lawnmower car.
Yeah, what does it say?
Oh, I forgot they drive.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Oh, I got the little TV one.
Look, you take his little trunk and you can draw.
Does that work?
No, it doesn't work. That's what it says on it. Wait, maybe it's because I have to go this to crank it.
I think inside the trunk there's a pen. No?
There's a twist on this thing. Wait, here we go. Oh yeah, it works.
Whoa.
T.
Oh, wait, do it in front of the camera.
Hang on, I'll show them. MC. See? And then you turn the knob and it erases.
This is part of it.
It erases it. No,
Oh no, it all disappeared.
turn it back and then you can write again.
So you won that one.
That might be one of the top ones.
So wait,
And then he,
is it 5-4? No, 6-5?
6-5. I took the lead for once. Wow. Wait, what color did you get? I got yellow.
Oh, that's my first one.
Ah. Damn it. I got Crayon Boy again, but yellow. A double. I guess he can go with his buddy, the construction worker and DJ.
Oh, this is weird. Oh, there we go.
Wait, that was a double round.
No?
Oh wait, no, it's a bear.
I got a little bear.
Wow.
With the... I'm going in.
I didn't know bears and rabbits lived in the exact same habitat. Oh no, it's different.
And then it comes out. So I guess I take that one. 6-6. This one's packed tight.
This one's packed as well.
Oh no!
Oh hell yeah! This is one on the box.
I got the yellow crayon again.
Damn it! Give us the other colors. I got the same thing, but it's a rhino.
Well, you wouldn't by default. Because you got something new.
That's right. What? You can come back with the bonus round.
It's true.
Can't see. Is that a Y? M C. Not bad.
Alright, it's time for the bonus round. He's up 7-6, I think. He's up the score right here.
Yes.
Now we're gonna open up Yowie Booth and Yowie Crag.
This is the ultra bonus round. Yowie.
What is yours? Mine's a dragon, I think.
Mine's a troll named Boof. I'm excited.
So these cost as much as 8 Kinder Surprises.
$4 each.
Yeah.
Better be quality.
Oh, mine's already open.
Oh. Wow, the chocolates. Wait, they're not even connected. What the hell?
Mine's all busted up.
Look at this. It's like, no, it's connected just by a little bit right there.
Mine's not.
This is weird. Oh, he's gonna shatter.
Chocolate is not as good as Kinder.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that chocolate's gross. Oh my god, that tastes like paint.
Ah,
Why does it taste so bad?
it's Mickey Mouse. Wait. It has molded chocolate though. Oh, that's not good.
That's so bad. How do you open these?
Oh. Oh boy. What the? Okay, that's not what I was expecting.
What the fuck? Okay, you go first.
I got a lynx or something.
I got a penguin.
Animal series? What? What is it? Oh, it's
Oh, Yowie's about animals.
Oh.
I like how it says, to open, squeeze my tummy. This is inside it. Okay, give your facts. We're basing this on who has better facts.
Okay, mine's a caracal. Don't know what that is.
Mine's a emperor penguin. Okay, let's go back and forth on your fun facts.
Hairy-eared acrobatics. This unusual cat is recognizable by the long tufts of hair on the tips of its ears, right here, as you can see.
Alright, mine's the ruler of the penguin world. The royal family raises their young together with male and female penguins, taking turns incubating a single egg.
Wow. Is he pregnant?
This is a boy or a girl?
He has a very puffy chest.
He's like,
What do we got? It's found in Africa, the Middle East, Central Asia, and Northern India.
mine's lives in coastal Antarctica and nearby waters.
He's an acrobatic hunter, leaping over 6.5 feet into the air to snatch birds in flight. That's pretty sick.
Mine stays warm when diving for fish, krill, and squid, thanks to a thick layer of fat and dense feathers.
Facing pressure in some areas from habitat loss and hunting. So don't hunt this guy.
My habitat disturbance and loss of prey contributing to near threatened status. Oh, is that what the color means?
Oh, mine's blue.
Oh, mine's green. Mine's more dangerous.
Ooh.
Mine's more rare. I get the rare one.
No, I think that means endangered.
Yeah, I got the more endangered.
Oh, mine's not threatened at
Why
all.
would they even put that in there? We're gonna spread
Awareness.
we don't want this thing that's not being endangered. We don't want it being
Yeah,
endangered.
mine's not endangered whatsoever. Don't even worry about it.
Mine's
not threatened.
Mine might be endangered later.
I mean, the quality is not bad for such a little thing. You can see the fur.
Oh, I got some paint on the chest, I think.
It's tough
Made
to
in
say.
China.
I mean,
Penguins?
a penguin's more
China.
interesting animal than a caracal.
I want to say it's worth 1 point and then have a draw potentially.
Yeah, and this is quality. It's more shiny. This one's it looks kind of dirty.
Nice because it's supposed to be like too detailed. They can't go too hard.
I like the penguin more.
Let's call it a draw, I guess.
I think so. Want to feel my cold hand?
Oh my God, your hands are cold.
It's really cold. Well, that was interesting. All that for a draw.
Yeah, that's what you get in 24 Kinder Eggs and a Yowie and a Boof. Or a
But-
Boof and a Crag.
Yeah. But if you like this video, next video we're gonna hunt for a golden Mickey.
Yeah.
Mickey surprise eggs.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh my God.